Generally, I hate painting, but using a spray can isn't so bad. The rust converter is dried, and now I'm going to apply some black zinc, which is a cold galvanizing paint. So I'm going to initially hit a bit of the rust here and around here and on there with that little bit of masking, and do little sections like that at a time. So you probably didn't see any of that because I was waving the camera around, but that's the I was more interested in what I could see where the paint was going than what you were saying. Sorry about that. Again, here and here and over there, just a that'll do it. Well, I've given that a bit of a spray from the underside here. Just haven't picked up everything, and I've oversprayed on things, but it certainly improves the appearance. Hopefully it improves the protection that we're looking for with a bit of zinc sprayed on there. Those brackets there that I burnt the powder coat off while I was removing the screws, coming down. It looks a bit cleaner. Powder coat was missing off that corner a lot, and these arms just freshened up. At least on the underside. Hopefully I can spray a bit more on the top side and get a bit better coverage. Possibly have missed a spot just there, or whether, anyway, they'll run out of paint. So. Okay, that's that pedal rack, I suppose you'd call it, painted and fitted back on there. That's the thematic fan mount, and still got to fit the foot brake pedal. I'm currently finding some screws to replace the screws in this larger pan on the bottom. I'm going to put some anti-seize on the threads, which may help them stop corroding as quickly. That's the large bash plate on with some new screws. Well, it's looking a bit cleaner from top to bottom now. It's a little bit of spray on the bottom of the tow bar there, and rear bottom of the wishbones. I didn't realise that this cover is only a partial cover of this oil drain area. This bit of tube here was rusty. I know now why. I can see why if it's exposed. But yeah, you could get a ring spanner into there and undo that. drain some of the shit out of that, although it really needs to come off completely because the crap dishes up in this outer section of it, and so it wouldn't all pour out the centre there. The centre plug would help drain excess oil out of the system though. So it's looking a lot fresher top to bottom. The pedal foot mounts are in place. Look, there's areas that hasn't cleaned up particularly well in there. You can see this bit was okay. The paint's gone over some crap in those sections, but hey, it is after all the underside, and hopefully this zinc paint may slow down some of the corrosion and give us another few years. A bit of paint covers a multitude of sins, so get out to your shed and have some fun yourself.